Hello viewers, we'll be going over natural gas. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis for natural gas. On the 1-hour chart, we remain in negative MACD, and as of now, we're currently experiencing a 50 moving average as resistance, and that is at the price of $2.90. We remain in negative MACD, seeing slight signs of it diverging, and we're off of oversold levels with the RSI. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we remain in negative MACD, we're seeing signs of it converging, and we still remain at oversold conditions. We have yet to test the 200 moving average at the price of $2.81. If we extend that once more onto the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD, but we did see it diverge, and we're off of overbought conditions with the RSI. So if we do manage to head down lower, the next support level will be where we made past support that dated back to October 15th at around a price of $2.65, and that would also coincide with the 50-day moving average, this yellow line. As for resistance to the upside, that will be the 18-day moving average, and that also coincided with resistance in the past that dated back to October 22nd at around a price of $3.01. So if we do manage to head up higher to test resistance, that price movement to the upside is roughly around 5.5%, and to test support, that is around 7.1% to the downside. So for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading UNG. So what we have here is my position size will be less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry will be at $10.25, and that is this range there that coincided with past support levels that dated back to July 31st. For my sell target, that's $11.13, and my stop loss will be $10.10. And on the other hand, if I were to open a short position, my short entry will be at $11.71, and that would coincide with the 9-day moving average, this blue line. For my sell target, that's at $10.40, and my stop loss will be at $12.33. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 21% chance for it to climb between 0 to 6.7%. And to the downside, we have a 63% chance to fall between 0 to negative 6.7%. For the extreme case to the downside, a 16% chance to fall between negative 6.7% to 13.4%, negative 13.4%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.